Okay, to create a shared calendar, I log into my Dwight Mail. I go up to my calendar link and I click on it. This shows me all the calendars I'm subscribed to. There's a bunch of calendars from Dwight that other people have created and shared with me. There's a couple that I've made. Now in your case, if you want to make a shared calendar in the Dwight calendar section, you're going to go to your My Calendar section and click on Create. You'll give them calendar names, so maybe we'll call this presentation project timeline. Description: schedule for finishing stages of presentation project. Location you can leave blank if you choose. So there's stuff you can leave blank as well. It says share calendar with others. Turn that on, but turn that off. You can share with specific people. So you can click in here, and you're going to choose who you share it to with. So say it was Sasha Grunberg. I choose Sasha. I'd add another person. So you'll add everyone in your group, and you'll add Mr. Pizer. So cpizer at dwight.edu. And so on. I guess I can't share it with myself since I'm making it. And so on and so forth. And then you'll click on Create Calendar, and that will add the calendar here, as well as let your friends know that there's a shared calendar available to them. So I'm actually going to remove Sasha and click on Create Calendar, and I'll show you what it looks like. I guess I can't share the calendar, so let me actually delete this as well. Okay, and I can create the calendar. Now, as you can see, I should have a new calendar here. There we go, presentation project. I can change the color of it by clicking on the triangle. I choose, and let's make it something a little funky. So, fun color right there. Actually, I've got that one down here, so I might want to change it to something else that I don't already have. And now, click on this calendar, and I click on where I want to add. So let's say I know that my next class is on Thursday, next class from Mr. Pizer. And click on there, and I'll type finish gathering media. That could be one of my scheduled events, letting my group know that by that day, October 22nd, we need to finish gathering the media, the pictures and the sounds for the project. I have to make sure it's on the shared calendar here, and it's called Presentation Project Timeline. And then click on Create Event, and there it is. So now it's on that calendar, and those who I invited will have the same event on their calendar. So you will have to figure out what days, or dates rather, your next 4 or 5 classes are with me, and figure out how to schedule yourself accordingly. You might also schedule things in between class periods. You might know that you want to get something done for homework before class starts and give yourself a day or two in advance schedule so you have it done before class, or have it done so you can all talk about it before you present it in class, or whatever it happens to be. So think about the things you have to do for this project, schedule them on a calendar, a shared group calendar. The calendar maker will be the person in charge of that, and make sure you share it with each other. Don't share it with me because I have enough calendars to worry about right now, but I will ask to see it at some point. Alright, and that's how you create a shared calendar in Google.